Alright guys, so this video I'm going to show you how to split your screen in Windows 10 or even Windows 11 guys. First things first, you want to come here and you want to click right click here on the start button right here at the bottom left. You want to right click and then guys you want to click on settings, okay? Click on the settings from the drop down menu, just click on settings, and once settings opens up guys, I'm going to show you what exactly to click on. You want to go here, click on system, okay? There's a bunch of other options, but you want to go to system. And once you click on this, I'm going to show you just how we can enable split screen. So what you want to do is click on multitasking. From this drop down menu, you want to scroll down and click on multitasking. Now here guys, what you need is this enabled. Snap Windows enabled. And you can enable all these options, okay? Enable all of them. And now I'm going to show you just how we can, do this split screen. Now, let me minimize this for now, since I already have it enabled. If you do Windows plus, let's say, an arrow key like left on your keyboard, you can automatically move this to the left. Look at this, guys. We have moved this to the left, and if I click on this one and I do Windows plus right key, it would move this one to the right. But let me just show you how to do it. And normally, like a normal person, what they would do is just do this. Drag this here, okay, it's full. And then now what we do, guys, we are going to put this one here as well. So we have basically, guys, done a split screen. So we have on one side Bing and on one side Google. So now we can multitask. You can do different things, whatever you want to do. Maybe you want to do YouTube and you want to use Discord at the same time. Whatever you want to do exactly, you can do with multitasking, guys. Actually, that easy and simple, guys. So this video helps. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts, guys. And as always, guys, make sure you subscribe